everyone! And welcome to our Virtual Culinary. My name is Chef Ann Balingit and together with me is my mom.
Mami Net, Chef Mami Net.
Okay, so welcome po again sa ating Virtual Culinary and today, Saladmaster asked us to do a virtual cooking presentation na best for breakfast.
Yes.
Ito pong gagawin nating recipe is very healthy and actually hindi lang siya pang breakfast, mami. Pang all time siya, no? Pwede siyang pang snacks. AM, PM, and even midnight. Kung nagugutom ka, kung gusto mo ng sweet cravings, pwede rin to. And then, pwede rin siyang dessert. Right?
Yes.
Pero alam mo, kapag lutong Saladmaster hindi mo talaga siya pwedeng i-compare sa iba. Kasi incomparable itong version ng Saladmaster. No? I don't want to name some establishments, but a lot of establishments are serving this. It's called the French toast. Oh, di ba? Welcome to Paris. With, ano pa? Apple?
Apple.
Compote. Actually, may napanood kami. Yung, baka mamaya, search nyo sa YouTube, yung kay Mr. Richard Gomez. So, this is actually inspired dun sa ginawa niya. Pero, this is the Saladmaster way. So, are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
This is healthier, no? Kasi, magagamit tayo for our apple compote na mansanas. Then we have the lemon. And then we have the sugar. Tapos yung mga cinnamon spice. The nutmeg. And I want to tweak it. I will be putting some lemon flavor for the apple compote. And dun sa may French toast naman, yung bread. Basically yung milk. Okay. And then there's an eggs, and then the leftover breads. Di ba kasi bibili tayo ng mga bread? Siyempre, hindi mo naman naubos leftover. So, we have a suggestion para tumagal ang shelf life ng mga tinapay nyo. You put it inside the refrigerator. Right? So, ano gagawin natin kapag naluluma na yung bread? Of course, the solution is you remake it. So, we're remaking our bread into a healthy, delicious, nutritious, the French toast.
Yes.
Okay, ano naman ang gagawin natin? By the way, for garnishing, kung healthy ka talaga, pwede ka maglagay ng syrup. You can play, no? Banana, chia seeds, walnuts. Up to you, ano yung gusto nyong i-add para maging healthy. Ang gagamitin natin ngayon, ang bida-bidang Saladmaster na kakampi natin, ay ang Saladmaster machine. And then, for our apple compote, ang all new limited edition with 24 karat gold lang naman na 10-inch dish skillet. Actually, may utility rack ito sa loob pero tinanggal na ho namin. Kasi dito natin gagawin yung ating apple compote. Sabi nga ni Richard Gomez, ano ba yung apple compote? Abangan natin. And then, we need the help of our square griddle pan to be used for our French toast. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. For our first step, if you don't have gloves, you just wash your hands. But in my case, I'm going to use this. Okay, for our apple compote. Yes, for our apple compote, di ba meron tayong Saladmaster machine, may 5 cutting cones. Mga beshies, ang gagamitin po natin is yung cone number 5 tsaka cone number 3 here. By the way, we have here yung apple, no? I'm going to slice 1 apple only. Binash na natin to with baking soda. We need the skin of the apple. So this is cone number 5. We need the skin of the apple kasi this is nutritious. Yung nutrients nasa skin ng ating mansanas. Bakit nga ba mansanas is healthy? An apple a day. Ano daw po kasi? Keeps the doctors away. And this is very rich in vitamin C. Okay, this is medicinal. So the cone number 5 is what we call the waffler cutter. Actually, as ganito, as good as this, we can make it as a snacks for our children and for you. Doon sa mga nahihirapan
Easy to
kumagat.
bite.
Okay?
Easy to
Easy
bite.
to bite. Now, dun sa may cone number 3 naman, so this is cone number 5. Cone number 3 naman po is the French fryer cutter. O, diba?
French
Imbis na
fries.
French fries daw eh. Na potato, apple fries. Pwede rin naman yung singkamas fries. Ang dami nagagawa dito. Kung naglulumpia ka, pwede mong cut yung vegetables mo dito, no? Okay, kung gusto mo ng melon, gagawa ka ng melon salad or melon juice. Just use this. So, it's like this, apple fries. So, we'll be using only one apple. One Fuji apple. Dami po man nagawa. In less than a minute or finish. Now, the next step is para hindi po oxidize or oxidate yung ating apple. Mawala yung nutrition, yung color, mag-brown. We'll be using lemon. So, I have here 1 lemon. I slice it into 4. Now, ang kagandahan sa Saladmaster, you can juice your lemons. You can squeeze it here. Okay, nai-squeeze ba? Medyo malambot lang. Pero nai-squeeze naman. See, nai-squeeze yung lemon. Pero kung gusto nyo pang squeeze, pwede naman ganyan. Okay, ayun. Ayun. Just use the cone number 1 and the lemon will be juiced. Okay ba yun?
Okay na yan.
So, gagawin mo lang is ganyan. Okay? The acid of the lemon will retain yung color. Okay? That's the minerals of the apple compote. So, tinanggal ko lang yung ibang buto. Tanggalin natin yung ibang buto ng lemon. So, we have yung juice. Ano mangyayari? Hindi siya mangingitim. Hindi siya mag-o-oxidize, mama. Okay? Ang ganda ng salad machine. Meron ka ng juicer. Actually, this is the shredder. You can shred cheese. You can shred vegetables and fruits. Okay. So, we're done. What's the next step, Mami? Open the 10-inch 10-inch pan. We're gonna layer the, so hindi pa to pinainit, ha? We're going to layer the apples with squeezed lemons. Okay? And then, what's the next step? We're going to add some water. Tanggalin na lang yung buto, no? Very easy, no? Less than a minute. Tapos tayo. Okay, and then we're just going to add the sugar. Okay. We have here half a cup of sugar. Just put it there. But again, kung ayaw mo, kung diabetic ka, you can use this kind of sugar. The stevia sugar. Okay? So, just look at the measurement kung ilan po yung equivalent sa half cup of sugar. And then, we're going to put some, ano ilalagay, Mami?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Brown.
Okay? Just, okay. And then, cinnamon. Up to you po kung gaano ka-strong ang
And then,
gusto yung
cinnamon.
flavor. This is very good, no? Masarap po yan. Para tayong kumain sa 5-star. And yung
Yes.
sa akin pantwik, may lemon oil pa din ako.
Okay. Lagyan na lang natin ng konting quick.
Okay? Lemon oil.
Oil.
Okay? And, a little bit of, yung kay Richard Gomez may orange juice. Pero sa akin kasi, sobrang asim na yung lemon juice. So, we'll just mix it up and then set the stove into low fire. So, I guess, maluluto natin yan mga 8 to 10 minutes. Medium fire using our 10-inch deep dish skillet. Okay? We'll just add a little bit of water. Siguro mga 4 tablespoons of water. Okay? And then, yung desired sweetness, kayo na pong bahala doon. So, gagawin natin dito, ano daw yung apple compote ulit? In Tagalog, what is it, Mami? Minatamis na.
Minatamis na mansanas.
Minatamis na mansanas lang pala siya. Okay, pinakompot-kompot pa niya. Yan.
Para
So,
social daw ang pangalan.
para social. Ang pangalan. Correct naman siya dyan. So, I'm just gonna clean up this area. Hayaan nyo lang po mag-syrup yung compote. Alright, our next step. Kids can do this, by the way. Kids love it and kids can do this. So, mami, gawin nyo po na banding ito sa kusina nyo. Be your own chef at your own home. Okay? So, for our French toast, we've been needing fresh milk. Okay. Half a cup of fresh milk. Kung wala kang fresh milk, abay, bumili ka na lang ng iba. Pwede naman po yung iba. So, that's 1/2 cup. Okay. And then, we have here 4 eggs. 2 eggs muna tayo. Okay. So, sabi nga, huwag mo agad shoot doon kasi we should know na good egg, di ba? Para malaman, isa-isayin mo muna para hindi mahalo ang good sa bad egg. Isa-isa. So, this is a good egg. 1. Another good egg. 2. Okay. So, we just mix this one. Since maliit yung egg, I think I need to add another one. Another egg. So, maganda organic egg, no? Pero syempre, kung wala kang organic egg, syempre, tagaan na natin ng any fresh eggs po. Okay. Si mami naman, magpipreheat po. By the way, turn this to low fire. Yung ating compote, very, very low lang dapat. Okay, takpan lang ho yun, mother. Para mabilis lumambot yung, mag-tender yung apple. Okay. May iba akong version na French toast eh. Kung walang apple compote, pwede po siyang simple lang. Fresh milk, egg, and then condensed. But in this case, di ako maglalagay ng condensed kasi nga, yung syrup ng apple, matamis na yung compote. So, just whisk this. So, after mixing the butter, yung which is the milk and the egg, we are going to soak the bread, the leftover breads, sa ating mixture. Si mami naman, she's going to grease the pan. Okay. Just spread the butter.
Ano po?
Okay.
Medyo kakak pa rin.
Masyado ata malakas ang apoy. Medium to low lang po tayo, Medium to low. Yan. Very good. So, just spread the butter. And you're going to toast the soaked bread. Okay. The more na na-soak yung bread, kung gusto nyo malasang-malasa, tagalan nyo yung pag-soak. Kaya lang yung dito, pag sobra naman kung na-soak yung bread, sobrang lambot, nasisira. The bread, again. And then, put it here. 4 po na bread ang kakasya sa ating 11-inch square griddle. Wow! By the way, ano pa yung ibang uses ng square griddle? Diyan ako nag-greaseless fry ng bacon, spam, ham.
Love.
Diyan ako nag-fry ng sunny side up egg, tapos tatakpan ko lang ng 1/4 pan. Okay? So, sabi nila, ang masarap na French toast is yung toasted talaga, yung brown na brown siya. Toasted. Okay? So, up to you. And then, again, sabi ko nga, you can enjoy this. You can tweak all your French toast. You can slice some bananas, strawberries as your toppings or blueberries. Kasi alam ko, international tayo. Kaya good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So dear clients, maximize the use of your square griddle. Pwede rin tayong mag-grill ng chops, ng steaks over the stove. So yung binabati ko lahat ng mga clients namin. So aside from this virtual culinary, you can have your one-on-one session with us, with Mami Net and I. We're going to share you a lot of recipes. And always attend the virtual culinary by Ben at Saladmaster. So, while waiting, tapos na pala yung ating apple compote. There. There, ang bango. You can actually smell the spices, yung cinnamon at saka yung nutmeg and the sweetness of the apple and citrus smell of the lemon. So, ganyan po dapat ang itsura niya. Nag-reduce na dapat yung juice. Medyo nagtiken and tender na, malambot na yung apple. That's when you will say na luto na ang apple compote, minatamis na apple. By the way, kung wala kayong apple, you can do mango, you can do peaches, you can do blueberries, strawberries, pwede pong ganyan. No? Pwede po silang strawberry compote, pwede rin din banana compote, no? Pero ako gusto ko yung fresh slice na banana. Okay? So, itatap po natin siya dito. So, wait natin to. Alright, so we're going to flip the toast. Wow! So, golden brown po siya. So, up to you if you want it brown na brown, lightly brown, golden brown. Parang steak lang, no? May medium rare, may well done, no? So, it's up to you. Guys, let your children learn and study the home cooking. These are basic survival skills. And Saladmaster is in the department na tutulungan natin yung mga family na matuto sa mga bata sa pagluluto. By the way, kung gusto lang basically i-toast yung bread, ito rin ang ginagamit ko. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng oven toaster. Ito na. For pancakes, ito din square griddle. Yon, sabi ko nga, so if I would like to grill a chicken fillet, dito din. Ang dami niyang uses. This one naman, dahil may utility rack siya inside, 2-in-1 to. Pwede ka mag-roast ng vegetable or steam sa ilalim and then lagay nyo yung rack. May rack niya na stainless steel. Pwede ka maglagay na any meat, fish, chicken, pork na gusto mo or gusto mo mag-steam pa. Right? At pwede rin siya mag-degrease ng sausage. And again, they're healthy. Okay? Hindi tayo nagbabad sa oil. Wow! Luto na! At syempre, ano tayo? Pwede ka mag-slice ng bread or ganyan lang. Or pwede mong These are French toast, Saladmaster French toast with apple compote and walnuts and chia seeds. Bahala na kayo and let's all enjoy. Wow, Mami,
Wow.
It's tikim time already. Time to taste. Verdict.
O ba mauna?
Yes. Try it. Okay. Masarap ba?
Masarap.
Oo, diba?
Delicious.
So, panalo po ba? So, actually guys, you can enjoy this all the time. Ang ating Saladmaster French toast with apple compote. Thank you very much and have a great day everyone. God bless. Bye.
God bless. Bye.